Sawasdee. Hello. Today we're making a Thai dish, like yesterday. So today we're making Nam Prik Ong. It's minced pork with tomatoes, spicy dip. It's very famous in the northern region of Thailand. My mom and my grandma are from northern Thailand. This is why we're making it. I really like northern food. And northern is my name. Of course I like northern food. So let's make it. First we have all the ingredients. We have some cilantro, coriander roots, garlic, shallots, so we have dry chilies, tomatoes, minced pork, and shrimp paste. Now let's go. First we're gonna add the coriander roots because they're the most hardest to pound thoroughly. Let's go. We're gonna pound it thoroughly because we don't want it to be make it solid. We just want to make it like a paste. Next, we're gonna add shallots. Go in. All of it goes in. The pork and tomatoes we're gonna add in as the last ingredient. Shallots go in. Just gonna use my hand to block it from anything flying out. Because last time we forgot to put our hands to block everything. So the garlic. Okay. And now the garlic goes in. It's a spicy Thai garlic, as I said last time. You see? Pretty small, but has a lot of flavor. We want to pound it thoroughly, so we're gonna pound it really fast. It's starting to become a paste. Squish it very hard, and now dried chilies. It's very spicy. We're just gonna add a lot to this pork and tomato spicy dip. It's in the name, spicy dip. So don't be shy on the chilies. Keep mashing until it becomes almost a paste, but not a smoothie. For some salt, it's flaky salt. See, it's pretty big. We're just gonna add 5 of them. It's very salty. This is one of the most popular salts in the northern region of Thailand. So 3, 4, and 5. There you go. Pretty big than normal salt. Normal salt is just tiny particle. Just put in and blend it. Gotta use 2 hands for this. Let's smell. And now, garlic paste. If you're asking why we're adding a lot, because my garlic paste is not that salty, so this is the perfect amount. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. And just mash it. I'm gonna mash very fast. Okay, so it's taking a little bit too long. Editing time. This is how it should look like. See? It should look like this. If it's too watery, it's not good. If it still has some garlic in it, it's too bad. So you want it to look like this. Next, you want to add in the pork. Okay, so all of the pork, we're gonna put all of it in. And now, just gonna mix and the seasonings go into the pork. Just listen to it. That sounds so good. See it? You don't want to mash it, we just want to mix it up. Get it in all of that until all the seasoning has completely gone to the pork. You don't want all the seasoning to be at the bottom. So you just want to scoop it up, put it down. Keep doing that until all the seasonings is completely perfect. There you go. It should look something like this. a very nice with this. See? All the seasonings is already in the pork. And next, tomatoes. Just gonna rip that in. We're just gonna add maybe all of it, I think. All the tomatoes. Wait, let me add something. Is it enough yet? Okay. Put all of it in. Maybe, I think, put in about 8 tomatoes. 8 to 10 tomatoes. And then we're just gonna mix it all up. We don't want the tomatoes to be broken. We just want it to blend in with the pork. Just slowly. Don't want to mash it completely. We're just gonna mash it until it's into little chunks. Just gonna mix it all up in there. Keep mashing until the tomatoes is a little bit smaller than usual. When the seasonings has already gone in, it should look something like this. See? That's some seasonings, chilies, pork, and tomatoes. It smells so good in here. See that? This is delicious. I've eaten this 5 times. It's very spicy and salty. Now, we're ready to cook. Let's go outside. Cheers, mate. Okay, we're back outside. Time to cook. First, oil goes into the pan. Start up this fire. Tick, 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 tick. Oh, be strong. Oil, about 2 teaspoons of oil. This much. Close that. Wait for the oil to come to a boil. Wait for a few seconds and then put our pork in. Put our pork and tomato mixture in. Just wait for a little bit. We're gonna slowly but carefully put some of that in. There you go. Water. Reduce that a little bit. Put some water. And we're gonna let that cook. There you go. Slowly cook it on low heat. And then we're gonna add seasonings next. It smells so good. My mouth is watering right now. It smells so good. Let all of that pork cook. We're gonna let it cook for a minute or 2, and then we're gonna add the seasonings. Look at that. That looks so delicious. Cook it just a little bit more. Now, it's time for the seasonings. So, soy sauce, just a little bit of that in. And then we're just gonna stir it so that soy sauce can go into the pork. Okay, next we're gonna add, oh my god, the fish sauce. Just a little bit, because we already add that. Don't want to be too salty. There you go, just stir that. It smells so good. Next, the last ingredient, oyster sauce. Just put it on. There you go, a little bit. And for our last ingredient, sugar. Slowly add that in. put about this much sugar and then just stir so that all of that can come in to one place. We're almost done. Okay, when you make this menu, make sure when you put all of it in, chop the tomatoes while in the pan because we want all that tomato juice to go into this so it adds the flavor. Okay, now turn off that heat and now sprinkle. This is parsley and spring onions. Put that all in. Olive oil. Don't leave a single one. And this is actually a very healthy dish. Tomatoes for that vitamin and vegetables. Spring onion for fiber and color. Pork for that protein. This is actually really good for your body. Mix it up a little bit. And now you're ready to plate. So, let's taste it. Let's taste it first. So, scoop up. That's good. Spicy, sweet, and salty. That's the taste you want. Put it in the bowl. A plate isn't big enough. Put it in a bowl. Slowly, but surely, add it in. This is a lot. When I mean a lot, it's a lot. There you have it. PRIK. It's pork with tomatoes, spicy dip. Looks so good. Let's go try it. Okay, we're done now. So PRIK is really good paired with some rice because it's spicy, and when you eat it with rice, it cools it down a little bit. So let's try. Really good. Spicy, sweet, and salty. And by the way, please like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see the next Thai food that we will do. Please like and subscribe if you want to see the next Thai food that we will do. Bye bye.